But मुझे पहले लड़की चाहिए.
He's obsessed
with girls.
Yes, he's obsessed with girls. I was 18 when I actually got into a relationship. 4 months into the relationship, I got it.
What?
Yes. We did not really date, but 4 months, you guys. And I'm talking about 2014.
महेश, लेकिन आपने ऐसा क्या किया उन 4 महीनों में जो किंजल को पता चल गया कि बस यही है मेरे पति परमेश्वर.
पति परमेश्वर.
जो आप हो जैसे हो वैसे ही रहो, वैसे ही दिखाओ.
आपने जब घर पे बताया कि
मेरे घर पे सबसे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट
छोकरी मरी गई तो वो कैसे
Love
था?
that. We really fought.
Oh my god.
The time when I actually wrote this news that I have to meet my mom. She's like, are you mad or what? मैं नहीं मिल रहा. He freaked out.
And you have such a nice bond with your mother-in-law.
Yeah, oh my god, I think I have actually married her because she is the actual boyfriend in the relationship. मेरी दादी सास वो इनको कहती है अपनी मस्ती में बोलती किंजल ये मत कर, किंजल ये मत कर, ये क्यों मस्ती में just to test her. She said क्या बोला? इसके ऊपर क्यों चिल्लाया? हाँ? पूरा तो जो हम बहुत लड़ते शादी के कुछ साल तक तो हम बहुत लड़ते क्योंकि मैं छोटी थी, मैं समझ नहीं पाती थी और ये समझा नहीं पाती. He can jailify me. So jokes on him. How did he manage to be?
महेश, आप क्या कहना चाहोगे? What makes a good husband?
उसको भी उसका स्पेस.
We share a visible age gap, but there are trollers who say multiple things, but then we sit on a couch, we laugh, हमें ये क्या बोला है? मतलब आज अगर आप मुझे ऐसे देख रहे हो और अगर आपको मैं बोलूँ कि मैंने मेरा रिसर्च तुलसी पर किया है, and I was extracting essential oils out of tulsi, would you believe?
अगर आप किंजल के पापा से मिल पाते, आप क्या कहते?
अगर मिल पाता और फर्स्ट कन्वर्सेशन होता, ऑब्वियसली मैं बोलता कि आपकी बेटी को बहुत खुश रखूंगा और मेरे से जितना हो पाएगा उतना मैं उसको सपोर्ट करूंगा.
तो जो लोग कहते हैं कि behind a successful man there is a woman, do you feel that is true?
उसके बिना नहीं हो पाएगा.
सोच रहे हैं हम to become a plus one. So the next time you're hosting us on a podcast, we'll also have a tiny cute
Oh my
mini us.
god. Mahesh, I hope we did not make you uncomfortable.
A little bit.
She's built a world that looks polished, pretty, and absolutely put together. But behind the aesthetic, there is someone who's managed podcast, content, business, marriage, and the 57 things that come along with it. From being a content creator from starting and then eventually building a personal brand that people genuinely connect with, she's actually seen every side of the glam, the creator's life, and like I said, all the tabs that are always on in the head. Hi, I'm Sonal and today we are going off script with the girl behind the glam. I'm talking about Kinjal Shukla Bhanushali, and I'm so glad that she is accompanied by her wonderful husband Mahesh Bhanushali. Hi you guys.
Hello, Sonal. Thank you so much for having us.
I'm so glad that first of all Kinjal you've come and I'm so happy Mahesh जी आपने हमें यहाँ join किया है. मैं खुश हूँ आज बहुत ज़्यादा और आपको तो पता ही है मैं कितनी नर्वस थी, तो आपको नर्वस होने की इसमें जरूरत ही नहीं है.
I think ये ऑडियंस को भी पता चल रहा होगा कि यहाँ पर सबसे ज्यादा नर्वस है कौन.
Can you guess? Do you want to comment down below?
Please do that.
But Kinjal, what an amazing, life you have built and the way you're portraying it. इतना अच्छे से आप अपने fans तक पहुँचा रहे हो of what it can look like to live a beautiful life as a content creator. Do you want to tell us how did you start?
Absolutely. I've been prepping this since morning, so let's go. Guys, all of you who do not know me, I'm Kinjal Shukla Bhanushali. I have been doing content for over a decade now, which means I have survived the algorithm, the trolls, the trends. What else?
The creator
Basically
economy, which is now
everything.
new.
Yeah, the creator economy. So I've lived a decade. Okay,
Yeah.
I've done everything that I could possibly to sustain myself and be present in front of you, to be speaking and to be in this august company.
Wow.
Well, having said that, I also am a girl who lost her father very early on, and then life really humbled me. So the person people see is a mix of both the worlds. Okay, I am this girl who lived like a princess treatment before it was called a princess treatment, and now I'm a woman who's actually building her own kingdom. So that's me.
And you're inspiring so many people while you're building your own empire.
Just can't do.
I myself, when I was seeing your content, I was like, this girl, I don't know how she's doing it, but she is doing something for herself while inspiring so many people out there so confidently. I want to ask महेश जी, आपको कितना प्राउड फील होता है about किंजल?
मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा प्राउड फील होता है उसके लिए।
कितने लोग होते हैं जो अपने आप को ऐसे who can put themselves out there, जो अपनी लाइफ इतनी पब्लिक कर देते हैं और लोगों के इतने ट्रोल्स को we open ourselves up to people trolling और लोगों को बोलने में कुछ नहीं जाता, बट वो
I know
हमारे
that.
लिए कितना मुश्किल होता है. So how does it feel to have a content creator as a wife?
बहुत अच्छा भी लगता है और
Stressful भी.
स्ट्रेसफुल भी है।
Because then he actually lands up in situation like this which he's never prepared for. Disclaimer, guys. he's
बट
not-
सच्ची बताना, थोड़ा तो अच्छा लगता होगा ना कि चलो किंजल की वजह से क्यों ना हो, बट मैं ये भी एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा हूँ.
ये भी एक्सपीरियंस करी
अच्छी बात है ना, मजेदारी तो है ना.
मजा आता है।
और आपने तो आजकल किंजल की वीडियोस में फीचर करना भी चालू कर दिया. ये
फीचर
कैसे
करवाया जा रहा है।
कैसे हो रहा है, ये कॉन्वर्सेशन कैसे होता है? बताओ हमें बताओ. किंजल कैसे आके आपको बोलती कि ये करना है हमें या ना, भी
ये करना है। कभी कभी जो
He doesn't
उसमें
have
आप
a
देखते हो
choice.
वो मैं एक्चुअल में करते रहता हूँ और इसने वीडियो बना के पोस्ट कर दिया, तो बाद में मेरे को पता चलता है कि आई एम इन द वीडियो।
People are going to really misjudge me.
दैट जीरो सिविक सेंस वाला ऐसे ही बना था क्या?
Absolutely.
जब आप बस आ गए थे वीडियो में, आपको पता नहीं था. बट कैसे होता है कि किंजल वीडियो बना रही है और आपको शायद पता नहीं कि वो वीडियो बना रही है, बट आप आ गए तो किंजल लाइक अरे वेट अभी मेरा वीडियो चल रहा है.
बहुत बार
ऐसे होता है. तो आपको ऐसे मन नहीं करता कि थोड़ा सा भी आप भी ज्यादा रेगुलरली आने लग जाओ उसके वीडियो में?
नहीं
क्यों नहीं आप इतने शाय हमेशा से हो?
नहीं शायद तो नहीं हूँ,
Okay,
बट
I'll take this out. He is absolutely different when the cameras are off. Okay, he's a chatter, guys. You really need to take the Mahesh out of his soul, and that's when he'll become like a chatter. But when the
Right.
cameras are on, he'll be like,
थोड़ी
"चुपचाप, मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है, दुनिया मुझे नहीं पता क्या होती है."
And you are married to someone who is so camera friendly.
Yes, I am.
तो ये आपको फील होता है कि थोड़ा मुझे भी करना चाहिए कोशिश कैमरे पे आना?
Also being my husband.
थोड़ा तो कभी फील होता होगा ना कि चलो ठीक है अभी किंजल.
फील तो होता है, बट ठीक है।
तो ये इसी से ये हमारे फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट से आपने शुरुआत कर ली है. Congratulations.
थैंक यू सो मच।
बट क्या आप मुझे बताना चाहोगे कि किंजल आपसे तो मैं जानूंगी, बट आई वुड लाइक टू नो फ्रॉम महेश कि आप मिले कैसे थे? हाउ डिड योर स्टोरी बिगिन? आपको किंजल मिली कहाँ?
God
किंजल
has his
मिलेगा,
own script.
ये किंजल ही बताएगी।
नहीं हमें तो आपके मुंह से सुनना है. किंजल भी अपने साइड से बताएगी.
मिले हम ऐसे कि एक फ्रेंड था, उसके घर पे पार्टी था, तो फिर हम लोग गए थे, ये भी वहाँ पर आई थी, तो अभी मैं भी यंग था, ये भी यंग थी, तो हम लोग ने बातें चालू की, तो फिर उसके बाद स्लोली स्टेडीली
Wow. And it built. Kinjal, what's
Being
your?
very shy.
Tell
Guys,
us.
this is absolutely bullshit.
Give us the
I
deets.
feel like when God has its own script, no matter which corner of the world you are in, you will end up meeting, and that's our story. Because we come from a different culture, different background, different mindsets, which you will get to know once we actually begin. Like he said, we met at a party. We had mutual friends, but not very much because I was not a very outgoing person. But
Right.
that one day, because God had decided that we were supposed to meet, things changed.
Yeah.
We exchanged numbers. We started having conversation. 4 months into the relationship, and we got married.
What?
Yes, we did not really date, but 4 months, you guys. And I'm talking about 2014.
Wow.
Which reminds me that we have our anniversary coming in.
Which is on 16th of
16th of April, which I'm very excited
It's
about
been
because we
13 years.
good 13 years.
Like you said, when God has a plan, it just happens.
It's the best contract.
But what was it in the 4 months? आपको क्या था जो महेश के बारे में इतना अच्छा लगा that you were like, I know this is it?
So like I said, I lost my father very early on, and he really introduced me as his daughter. Like I was one of his biggest achievement, and I like to talk about my father a lot, okay, because he's the real hero of my life. So he made sure that I have this. I'm growing up with opinions, okay. He always made sure that I am I have this mindset where I know what I want for my life. When I met him, I felt that those opinions are only getting wings. I did not feel the necessity of dimming my light.
Wow.
You know? So, where on the contrary, there are men that I have seen in my own circle, they do not want you to do particular things, or they would not like girls or their partners to be doing certain things. He was the one who's actually pushed me to do multiple things that I have done, and the women that I am today. When I say that my father was the foundation of what I have, what I was, Mahesh, on the other hand, is the pillar, is the strength that I've become.
Wow.
So I've really lucked out.
To find that is every girl's dream.
I know, and I've really lucked out.
महेश, लेकिन आपने ऐसा क्या किया उन 4 महीनों में जो किंजल को पता चल गया कि बस यही है मेरे पति परमेश्वर.
पति परमेश्वर.
जो आप वो जैसे हो वैसे ही रहो, वैसे ही दिखाओ.
Wow.
It's a very simple.
But 13 years ago, आप बताओ मुझे किंजल की सबसे पहले जो आपको बात पसंद आई थी वो कौन सी थी? 13 years ago की बात पूछ रही हूँ, तो थोड़ा सा आपको ऐसे जोर डालना पड़ेगा अपनी मेमोरी पे.
जब भी मिली थी, आज कैसे इसने ड्रेसिंग किया है वैसे शी वाज आउटस्टैंडिंग. मतलब आप क्राउड में आप देख सकते हो कि कोई अलग दिख रहा है करके.
मतलब 13 years में प्यार वगैरह कुछ नहीं, कपड़ों से प्यार हुआ है इस
नहीं,
इंसान को मुझसे.
नहीं, she stood out. She was standing out.
जब आप ऐसे देखते हो तो आपको लगता है कि आप इससे कैसे बात करो, क्या करो. बट जब आपने बात किया तो समझा कि ये तो बहुत सिंपल है, सिंपल लड़की है और इसके सोच भी अच्छी है, इसके विचार भी अच्छे है, तो वो हो गया ऐसे.
Wow. In simpler words, he just said that you just stood out to him.
He was,
In all of those
he's not
people.
said this enough, but he, whenever that our friends actually ask him this question, and he's in a spot, he's like, मैंने जब इसको देखा ना तो मैं love struck हो चुका. I'm like, what? Love at first sight, guys.
That first sight. And Kinjal, what's your favorite thing about him? Like the first thing that you ever liked about him. This is 13 years ago की बात. Again, I'd like to emphasize. 13 years ago की बात.
If I start talking about him, it's going to be like a husband appreciation podcast, which I don't mind. If you give me that.
Yeah, please go ahead. Let all the men out there know what the girls are actually looking for.
Yeah, I think what girls deserve is that to find a friend in your partner. That you don't really have to have a filter. That the husband or the partner that you are with just knows that you are in this state and gives you time. So a little backstory of our relationship. We come from different cultures.
Yeah.
Okay. We really grew together. We share a visible age gap, but because he was older, he is older to me. He's understood that part, that phase of my life because he's been through it.
Yeah.
Okay. I've had my own fair share of mistakes, which he did not judge me for. He let me grow individually, which is very rare because you know how Indian men basically are conditioned,
Yeah.
or how anybody is conditioned that way, right? He made sure that I am focusing on my education. He made sure that I'm focusing on self-growth, that I'm evolving every day.
Wow.
He is definitely a kind of man I wouldn't have even imagined for myself, because it almost feels like he's too good to be true.
God's plan is better than your plan, baby.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm telling you, I think I'm going to be very repetitive, but it is true that I've really lucked out. Because this man right here, and this is not because he's just right here and I'm trying to flatter him, and he would agree, he's from a commerce background,
Yeah.
and I'm from a science background. And we all know when we have a very rough day at work,
Yeah.
okay, we just want our bed, we want to sleep. This man has made sure that when I'm having my exams, because I continued studying after my marriage, he was sitting right there giving me company because I had exams the next day. Made sure that he's picking me, dropping me, being a part of my exams as much as I am in that position.
You've just
Tell
defined
me.
what a partner actually sounds like.
To let you grow individually and to not really topify his ideas of what a wife should be. So we share this equation like we are friends. Like, there are trollers who say multiple things, but then we sit on a couch and we laugh. I'm like, ye kya bola hai?
I'm so glad. To all the trollers out there, this is what is happening actually. But well, Humor yourselves. And you have such a nice bond with your mother-in-law also.
Yeah, oh my god, I think I have actually married her because she is the actual boyfriend in the relationship. Because if I'm wearing like a short, she's like, आज कुछ ज़्यादा छोटे कपड़े नहीं पहन लिए हैं आपने. She's very cute that way. She's very funny. She's like, पैंट कहाँ है? And I'm like, Mama, ये fashion है, आपको नहीं समझेगा. And then we joke about it. She's just a sweetheart.
How sweet, how sweet. हाँ, आपको क्या लगता है किंजल और आपकी मॉम का रिलेशनशिप? मतलब आई एम श्योर कि ऐसा हमारी सोसाइटी में तो बहुत ये ख्याल होता है कि जो हस्बैंड होता है वो अपनी बीवी और अपनी माँ के बीच पीसता रहता है. मुझे नहीं लगता आपके साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, बट आपको क्या लगता है?
तो साइडलाइन कर दिया है.
आप
We married each other. हमारी
I'm
कुंडली
at
मिलनी चाहिए
office,
थी.
I'm working, and they have a plan for the movie. They will ask just once, you're coming or no, and if I'm not coming,
they'll just go.
Yeah.
Do you not feel FOMO कि ये
No.
दोनों मुझे छोड़ के निकल लेती है? ये दो स्त्री जब से मिली है मैं तो
Thank touchwood. I feel like I've really lucked out when it comes to
absolutely
family.
touchwood. I mean everything that you
Yeah.
said just made me feel like
Because my mother-in-law is also again another reason why I've been able to do what I'm doing. Because imagine this, okay? You are explaining your parents that you are a YouTuber in 2009. How would they take it, right? So, giving a backstory, I've completed my master's in cooking. People were expecting different things from me, right? Being a
absolutely.
science student, I might just do like a PhD, become a professor, do the right thing that is supposed to be
the
most
conventional
structured-
thing.
Yeah, the most structured way as Indian society would call. I did the complete opposite. Okay, I studied. I completed my masters, took up a media profession as my career, and just made an entire career out of it.
Yes.
So for my mother-in-law, because she comes from a very conventional school of thoughts, for her to stand in front of me and to face and be like a shield that nahi meri bahu to ye kar rahi hai was also very difficult, which I get, and full credits to her. Because back then people were just quoting this as modeling.
Yeah.
कि modeling ही करनी थी तो पढ़ाई की जरूरत क्या थी?
Modeling and more or less time pass की तरह ही देखा जाता था इससे
Yeah,
कि
this was not like a
ये क्या ही
serious
है?
career.
Absolutely not.
And I get people's concern also because they want something good for their
Kids,
daughter,
yeah, of
for their
course.
kids. But my mother-in-law was also wrong-sounded. She was like, if she's happy with it, let her.
Yeah,
Like, what's the
absolutely.
harm?
Wow.
So
We
I-
need more mother-in-laws.
we should do
mother-in-laws
another
के साथ
podcast
में।
with my mother-in-law.
Oh,
And you see, she's
that would be fun.
absolutely not
Opposite?
like absolutely opposite. Like she'll be like, "तू चुप रह, मैं बात करूँगी."
महेश जी आपको अपना शाइनेस मिल कहाँ से रहा है? फिर मम्मी तो है नहीं इंट्रोवर्ट. पापा भी शाय है.
बहुत.
हाँ इतने नहीं है.
थोड़े बहुत. तो आप इतने शाय क्यों हो?
This is the first time I'm giving an interview. So.
But I'm glad you're doing so well. I have to tell you,
Yeah.
you're already doing so well. But Kinjal, do you think कि everything that Mahesh has been able to do for you, do you think somewhere that was because his upbringing has been of a certain kind?
100%. Because, like I said, I have met people in circle, and you also see your friends, right? That share different sorts of mindset. And then when I come home and I see my husband having that sort of mindset, that inflates me with joy.
Yeah.
Because I see he wants women, and not just me. Okay? If you are his friend, and if he knows you really well, he'll go out of his world, like he'll be hell bent to make sure he's supporting you.
Wow.
That is one quality that I really appreciate in him, because he's a people's person. He will make sure that he is making sure that people around him are protected, supported, heard, and seen.
क्या कहाँ मिलते हैं आपके जैसे लड़के? कहाँ पर बन रहे हैं ये ऐसे लड़कों की फैक्ट्री है कहाँ पर? या फिर आप ही गुरुकुल चालू कर दो कि थोड़ा सा नहीं. बट ऑन अ सीरियस नोट आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू महेश, आप क्या कहना चाहोगे? व्हाट मेक्स अ गुड हस्बैंड? व्हाट डज इट टेक फॉर अ मैन टू एक्चुअली बी अ गुड हस्बैंड कि फिर जब हिज वाइफ उसके बारे में कुछ भी कहे तो नेचुरली ऑटोमेटिकली यही सब आए कि देयर इज सपोर्ट, देयर इज लव, देयर इज आई एम बीइंग हर्ड, आई एम बीइंग सीन. What do men have to do differently?
उसको भी उसका स्पेस दो, उसके स्पेस में मत जाओ. वो जो कर रही है उसको करने दो. सिंपल.
and just be the wingman.
He's never judged me. Like you know how 20s are. They're never good. Okay, they are wild. They're chaotic.
Stupid decisions.
Absolutely. It's only after 25 that your prefrontal cortex actually
Yeah.
develops. That's a scientific term that I actually learned very recently, so I want to throw it to sound intelligent. Anywho, so after 25 is when you really understand how life should be,
Yeah.
what you really want for yourself, the calm life, the
True.
slow life. Before 25, because I'm
Just trying to
Aishwarya
fit
Rai.
Yeah, you're just trying to fit in. You think you know everything. You're a know-it-all.
Yeah, you know it all. My attitude was like, guys, I am somebody, you don't need to talk to me. That was my attitude, legit, okay? After 25, I was like, "No, I have to really like calm my energy,
Yeah.
focus, channelize.
Yeah.
This man never judged me for anything. Anything. Like when I told him that, listen, I feel like, I want to do influencer, I want to become a content creator. I said, cool. Listen, I just want to switch my career and become an air hostess. Cool. I want to like just travel or become a travel content creator. Cool.
Wow.
So he's really been there, but I'm telling you that he has been extremely supportive of the wildest of ideas that I've thrown on him. He's taken it all, understood, and I'm really
समझ आ रहा है मुझे. Listen, like you said, कि this is really a pati appreciation
podcast.
podcast.
I
it
told
could
you.
be. But everything you're
I
telling
warned
me
you.
becomes, it makes me feel like this is all praise that is well deserved by him.
It's not something that I planned for, This is something that I really want men of today to understand that what they really should be, because I'm seeing so many relationships failing. And here we share a 13-year-old relationship,
Yeah.
and it's not easy. Marriage is a collaboration for a lifetime. It is not easy. Some days you'll be 50, some days you'll be 100.
Yeah.
But the fact that you choose each other every day,
Makes a difference. So what was it like when the first time when within 4 months when you were like, yes, this is the man I'm gonna marry, and you told your mom? What was it like? What was her reaction?
So now that I'm thinking in retrospect, I was 18 when I actually got into a relationship. I really did not have any criteria that this is the kind of man I want to marry. This is what, because
I would like to go back to that time.
yeah, it's also good to not know something, right?
Yeah.
But at that age, I came from a mindset where I saw my mother struggling, and she was of my age back then, taking care of a child entirely on her shoulders with full grace. Okay. So I did not know what am I supposed to tell her, because she wanted me to be settled in my life. Okay, because I get it. I was her only child. So she wanted me to get married. And I saw him and I felt seen at that point also, because I was 18. I could be talking shit. I could be like, I want to like become an astronaut. Would you support me? And he was still saying yes. So when I saw that quality in him, I felt like this is the man I want to be with. Where I feel like if I'm talking stupid, I don't want the man to turn up and be like, are you dumb?
Yeah.
What are you talking? Can you
True.
hear yourself?
True.
I want the man to be like, maybe that's funny, but okay, bring it on.
Yeah.
I'd like to hear. He was that full. And within 4 months of us dating, I figured that I think my stupidity can last long. He can jailify me. So jokes on him. How did he manage me with me?
13 साल में ऐसे कितने stupid ideas आए हैं किंजल को.
बहुत सारे.
और आपको अब तक समझ आ गया होगा ना कि हर stupid idea शायद वो मतलब ऐसे she may not see it through, but आ जाते हैं कभी कभी तो.
बट ये आइडियाज बोलती है वो कभी ना कभी उसके ऊपर जाती है और पूरा करती है, बट फिर उसको अगर मजा नहीं आया तो शी कम बैक्स ऐसा.
He's noticed your pattern.
Yes, he's coming. उसको ना मेरी ऐसे वो बोलते हैं ना, सब नसें पता है कि these are the buttons I know when to press when.
So when you say that you do feel seen, he's actually seeing you. We can tell that.
Yes,
He's
very
seen
good
and
observer.
noticed and observed everything. I have asked Mahesh what it is like to be married to a content creator wife. Kinjal, what would you say it is like to be married to a businessman?
Well, I recently posted a reel which got like millions of views, and you should see that. A man who you think you are planning to become a wife of a businessman, you know that you're also marrying the phone. So be prepared, ladies, if you're marrying a businessman. The vacations are going to be on call. The chats are going to be on call. Every time he's going to be on call only, but it is fun because we come from different lenses. Okay, I learn from him and he learns from me. We make sure that at night when he comes home, we talk. Because this is something that I've adapted from my father. My father used to sit down and he used to make sure, I was 5-6 years, okay? But he used to make sure that he's asking me, how was your day? Okay, that was a practice that he religiously did. So I make sure that I'm doing the same.
And you continue his legacy.
I continue his legacy. That's a right way to put it. So we ask each other. He shares his ideas. I share mine because to coin it, I am also now a businesswoman, right?
Yes.
Content creation now has also become like
You're an entrepreneur.
I'm an entrepreneur. And I tell him my ideas, like, he kaise karta hai tu? And then he has this whole book, which I think you should ask because I'm really wanting to actually, someone please write a book on him because I'm telling you, once you sit with him, you will get so much information.
Wow.
I just cannot wrap my head around the kind of information that he has.
Damn.
And that comes with the legacy that he comes from. His entire family comes from a business background. So his business acumen, the risk-taking capacity, which we eventually fight on the most, because I don't have the risk-taking capacity. He's absolute opposite.
Wow.
He will listen to the ideas, he will invest his time, energy, and he'll take the risk. I'm the complete opposite. Like calculated risk, honey.
Yes.
No risk. Calculated risk.
Yeah.
So we have this complete great balance.
Yeah, that's
So
what
it
I'm
is
thinking.
fun.
Instead of it being, contradictory, it's complementing the both of you. कि जो आप में कम है वो इनमें ज़्यादा है, जो इनमें कम है, like being
We
confident
fill
on
each
camera.
other's void. Like जहाँ
Yeah.
ये कम है, I come in picture.
Yeah.
Wherever I am less, he comes in the picture. So
Wow.
we really balance each other out in a very, very good way.
Wow.
Very good way. Like I'm not just complimenting my relationship because it is a certain way, but this is really a quality that I really wish a lot of
Yeah.
relationships have. I
मैंने
wish for it.
किंजल से तो पूछ लिया कि उसने घर पे जब बताया that she has found the guy and how was it like. आपने जब घर पे बताया कि
मेरे घर पे सबसे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट
छोकरी मरी गई तो वो कैसे
Love
था?
that.
मेरे घर पे सबसे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है
क्यों?
बिकॉज हमारा we are from the हमारा जॉइंट फैमिली
Yeah.
सो एट दैट टाइम हम लोग 25 लोग घर पे थे, सबको
Wow.
अलग अलग बताना
Yeah.
करना. It was very difficult because हमारे इसमें this was the first love marriage.
Wow.
So मेरे को भी पता नहीं था कौन कैसे रिएक्ट करेगा.
But everybody is
मेरे
extremely
दादा,
cute.
मेरी दादी सबने एकदम पॉजिटिव रिएक्ट किया.
Sonal, I'm sorry I'm cutting you, Mahesh, but I am so excited to share this because, girls really feel like, why should we want to live with in-laws? Why joint family? Like, I want to just be with my husband. I think here also, I'm not a relationship expert, okay, but I'm really sharing my own experiences.
Please do.
Everybody in the family has open-heartedly accepted me.
Wow.
And I was not prepared for it because I was like, मुझे तो मतलब छोटी बहू बन के रहना पड़ेगा, घूंघट लेके सबसे परमिशन पूछना, ये करना. Everybody is so chill. तुझे ये करना है? हाँ ठीक है, let's do it. I'm going to share pictures with you.
Oh yes.
Side
please do,
chat में
please
you
do.
will see entirely what I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
Absolutely.
हमारे घर में हर छोटा फंक्शन एक गरबा पार्टी में हो जाता है.
I want to come to your function.
You are coming, you're
I love
invited.
Garba.
Please. You'll enjoy.
I love Garba so much.
You do the Jethalal step ऐसे ऐसे.
आप करते हैं? Oh my god, ये तो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा. Off camera. It's not for you. It's exclusive for me. But आप कह रहे थे कि 25 लोगों की फैमिली, सबको एक एक करके बताना. आपको याद है वो कैसा था?
It was very easy. सब लोग ने मतलब बहुत ओपन हार्टेडली इसका वेलकम किया और एक्सेप्ट किया इसको.
Yeah.
ऐसा.
What was your first year being married like? Because you were pretty young when you got married.
Oh my God,
I mean, okay, it's the adult legal age to get married and all of that, but we still live in a society and an age where girls themselves don't want to get married before 27, 28.
Yeah.
And in that time, you got married around 18, 19. So young. You took on a joint family. Must be a challenge. What was your first year being married like?
Challenging question, because now that I'm thinking in retrospect again, I feel like, how did I do it?
How did you do it,
I
Kajal?
know. Wow, well, kudos. But I think when you have like set of people, like-minded people around you, it really naturally flows. I did not really have to, face any challenge, because if I was told to do a thing, you're expected. As a daughter-in-law, you have more baggage,
True.
right? You have to make sure that you are the right daughter-in-law, and more added pressure on me because, like he said,
Yeah.
it was the first love marriage in his
Absolutely,
family. So I
yeah.
wanted to be the perfect
Right.
pearl.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah.
So the pressure was absolutely on me. Not that anybody has given it to me, but I took it.
खुद
on
से,
myself.
yeah.
वो खुद से था मुझे कि नहीं, अगर मैं महेश की पसंद बन के अगर कहीं जा रही हूँ, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो जो 4 लोग जो मुझे देखेंगे महेश की पसंद, उन्हें ये होना चाहिए कि क्या लड़की पसंद करके लाया है।
Yeah.
ये हमारी फैमिली में कितनी अच्छे से बैठ रही है।
Yeah.
And I think I really ticked that box because my mother-in-law, my badi sasu ma, my dadi sas is very fond of her. She's
Wow.
still alive, and God bless her. Whenever she's home, she'll look at me when I get ready, as if she's looking at her younger self.
Oh my god.
Okay, so she'll be like, so in Kutchi she'll be like, "वार केड़ी ते वार नहीं है, करो करनी है तू, केड़ा मैंने जो है तो अपने." And she'll ask me these very cute questions. And I sit with her and I'm like, nah, Dadi, ki na, heda jaiya hu, choyo, go raha. So this is the kind of family that I actually landed up myself in. And it's beautiful.
Somewhere like when you were narrating this, it felt like maybe she's seeing ki if she was born in this Asian era, this could be her.
And Sonal, to add to, she is the most progressive woman in our family. Because वो होता है ना, जो घर के बड़े जब होते हैं, अगर उन्होंने एक रूल सबके लिए बनाया होता है जो हम फॉलो करते हैं, अगर वो सही ना होना तो आपका घर नहीं रहता।
Foundation ही
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। हर एक इमारत की जो फाउंडेशन होती है वो बहुत स्ट्रांग होना जरूरी है, वरना इमारत टूट जाती है। एंड इन टुडेज टाइम अगर हमारी जो इमारत मजबूत है, वो इसीलिए क्योंकि हमारे घर के जो बड़े हैं वो इतने अच्छे ख्यालात से आते हैं। मेरी दादी सास जो है वो इनको कहती है, कभी भी मस्ती में ये बोल देंगी, किंजल ये मत पहन, किंजल ये मत कर, ये क्यों, मस्ती में, जस्ट टू टेस्ट। एंड शी मस्ट बी 92 years old.
Wow.
She said, क्या बोला, इसके ऊपर क्यों चिल्लाया, हाँ कोरा ये कोरा तो जो। See, that is the woman I'm talking about, the true example of feminism. She's made sure that her daughter-in-laws, all 4 daughter-in-laws, unki daughter-in-laws, they're all in this environment where they feel safe, which is rare.
Yeah,
Rare is
truly.
for-
I think everything you have mentioned abhi tak to has been
It is true, and
rare only.
I'm not even fabricating this. I'm not trying to sell a story. This is not sugar coated in any way. People who know me, who have visited me, who come home, would know what I'm talking about, because every time anybody comes home, and I'll share this clip of Ganpati.
Please do.
Okay.
You shared the clip, but I'm already inviting myself for
You
Ganpati
have
to
to.
your place
You
and for
have to.
Garba, for Navratri, everything I am myself invited, self-invited हूँ मैं अब से।
हमारे घर में
मुझे दादी सास जो है आपकी उनसे मिलना है।
please come. She will feed you with her own hand,
Oh my
like
God.
you are her own daughter.
Oh my god.
That's the kind of love she actually pours, and that's the woman I think I should be when I will be old. Like, my daughter-in-law should talk about me like that.
Yeah.
That's the kind of legacy I want to.
What a goal to have.
I
Amazing,
know.
amazing. But you were saying something when I cut you. I'm really sorry about
I
it.
forgot. I lost.
You
the
were
train of
going
my
to
thought.
show me a clip of Ganpati.
I will show that to you. You can actually attach that for the audience to get a reference. She's 92, guys. She
Yeah.
can, she barely can remember things, but she made sure all our guests are well fed. Everybody feels welcome. So imagine to be in a family like that. You'll never miss home if you're around me or my family.
True.
even he, if example, if I am out because of work, if I'm not there, and somebody as a guest comes home, even men in our family are conditioned to treat guests in the same way.
अतिथि देवो
Atiti Devo Bhava. We really come in. We really believe in that.
महेश, आपको लगता है कि किंजल ने जब से यू गॉट मैरिड वो एकदम सही से शी इज बीन लाइक द बेस्ट बहू दैट कुड बी, शी इज फिटिंग वेरी वेल?
जितनी भी बहू है सब बेस्ट है, बट किंजल ने भी बहुत, जैसे ये न्यूक्लियर फैमिली में थी बट इतने बड़े फैमिली में आना, वो इसका भी एफर्ट है। ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि खाली मेरे फैमिली का ही एफर्ट है, इसका भी एफर्ट उतना ही है।
एब्सोल्युटली। और इसमें आई एम श्योर कि कोई भी लड़की ये अकेले नहीं कर सकती अनलेस शी हैज अ वेरी सपोर्टिव पार्टनर। अगर पार्टनर ही ऐसा होगा कि जो, क्योंकि आई एम श्योर कि देयर मस्ट हैव बीन चैलेंजिंग टाइम्स आल्सो व्हेन बिकॉज सो न्यू, a joint family in itself is new and sounds intimidating, let me tell you, as a girl I can tell you that
100%.
तो उसमें चैलेंजिंग डेज भी रहे होंगे, और तभी आपको ऐसे आपके फर्स्ट ईयर की ऐसे कोई स्टोरीज याद है कि ऐसे ऐसे किस्से हुए थे? लेकिन see, because 13 years you have completed,
Yeah.
sometime you are
The
supposed to
road's
sit and
not
talk
always
about it.
smooth. There's always a hiccup. There's always bump. The road's not always like that. But the like I told you in the beginning, you know, when you choose to choose each other,
Yeah.
you manage to overlook the problems. क्योंकि लड़ाइयाँ आपसे बड़ी नहीं होती,
True.
इंसान आपसे बड़ा,
True,
आपका
absolutely.
ईगो आपसे बड़ा नहीं होता, वो रिश्ता आपसे ज्यादा बड़ा होता है। तो
Wow.
आप वो रिश्ते को मौका देना चाहते हैं, आप उस इंसान की, ठीक है, आप उस इंसान से नाराज हैं एक दिन 2 दिन, मगर तब आपको ये देखना है कि इस इंसान ने आपके लिए क्या क्या किया है। Because the negative mind will always make sure that the negativity comes first, but that's the battle that you choose to do.
Such
with yourself.
wise words. Wiser words were never said.
Yeah.
And especially because in today, matlab, people are finding it very difficult to find a partner only, let alone a fitting, supportive family like that. I'm sure you weren't this wise when you got married.
I wasn't absolutely. I'm
What
telling
led
you,
to
I
this
was-
wisdom?
Time, actually. With time comes wisdom. And when I tell you this, you know, there are people, when I go to interviews, they ask me, what is this piece of advice that you would give
Yeah.
in order for people to live life? I have heard this, I don't recall where, when, but I think like it really fits into my life also absolutely well, that make mistakes. Make mistakes.
I live
It's the
by
most human form.
Yeah.
आप अपनी गलतियों से शर्मिंदा मत हो कि अरे मैंने ये कर दिया, अरे यार लोग मुझे कैसे देखेंगे। मैंने 1000 गलतियां की अपनी जिंदगी में, बट आई वाज सम ऑफ ऑल माय मिस्टेक्स। एब्सोल्युटली, ये इंसान जो आपके सामने बैठा है, अगर मैंने मेरी गलतियां नहीं की होती, मैं नहीं होती यहाँ, एंड आई एम नॉट ashamed of it.
Own it.
Own it, absolutely. But you should know कि draw a line for yourself. गलतियां करिए, गलतियां करने का ये मतलब नहीं कि अब मैंने कुछ भी बोल
हाँ.
दिया बस मैं तो आई एम owning
Be
it.
mindful.
नहीं, be mindful of what you're doing. Draw a line.
Absolutely.
You should know what you're doing and don't hurt in the process of being, doing a mistake. Like, just be mindful about it.
I want to get your backstory, but before
Yeah.
that मुझे बस एक last question है जो मैं मतलब चाहती हूँ महेश जी से पूछना कि ये आपको मतलब किंजल has studied science, she's got into content creation, influencer बन गई है, उसने आपको भी लाया है। आपको क्या लगता है अगली चीज किंजल क्या कर सकती है? आप उसको इतना अच्छे से जानते हो। What is next according to you for किंजल?
बहुत कुछ कर सकती है अभी तो।
ऐसे कौन से stupid
कुछ-
ideas
कुछ प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते,
Unpredictable.
अनप्रेडिक्टेबल।
But it's so nice that he's ready. कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, but baby I'm
We
ready.
signed up for this, guys. What do you mean?
Kinjal, let's talk about you having studied botany and having done your masters also, and we have been in the same
Same.
university, let's say.
Yeah.
How did you get into science, botany? ये कैसे हुआ यार?
Okay. It will be a little boring, but hear me
No.
out. Okay.
We
Yeah, all
need
the
to
time.
know the story. What makes Kinjal Kinjal? We need to know that.
My father was a very, very intelligent man. He knew about 12 languages fluently. Okay. And his students who are listening would know this.
He was a professor.
He was a professor. And he was absolutely intelligent man. Like he knew Kutchi also as a language. He's met a few of his students. He really spoke all the languages that he could fluently. Like today when you see that I'm speaking Marathi, You told me I can't tell you that you're not.
Yeah,
Maharashtrian.
absolutely
I speak
not.
it so I
Fluency.
मस्त बोलू शकते मी मराठी. Okay.
खरंच.
That's because my father imbibed those qualities. That beta, learn a language and be fluent at it. Doesn't mean that I have to learn a language to be fluent. Means whatever that you're doing, become so perfect at it कि तुमसे तुम्हारा काम कोई नहीं छीन सकता. Okay? When I lost him very early on, when I was the year I wasn't prepared for that. He used to tell me because I was very academic.
Yeah.
I was a nerd. Okay. He told me कि बड़ी होकर तुम engineer बनना. I said, okay, Papa, I will become an engineer. Little did I know that I don't have any engineer bone in me. I cannot be, and if I was to be, I would fail miserably at it. But sorry, Papa, I made a genuine attempt of becoming an engineer after 10. बहुत जल्दी मुझे पता चल गया कि मैं इंजीनियरिंग नहीं कर सकती. वो मेरी बस की बात नहीं. I was very good with science और मुझे लगता था कि मैं मेडिकल फील्ड में कुछ करूँगी.
Wow.
तब ये समझ नहीं थी कि साइंस एक बहुत महंगी पढ़ाई. और मेरी माँ
That I think you put it perfectly. Science मुश्किल तो है, difficult है, but वो बहुत ही महंगी पढ़ाई है.
और मेरी माँ के कंधे जो है ना वो बोझ नहीं उठा पाते. ठीक है, ये मुझे तब नहीं समझ में आता था, ये मुझे अब समझ में आता है. एंड माई मॉम वाज दिस एज ऑफ माई एज टुडे एंड शी वाज डूइंग इट सो ग्रेसफुली. आई थिंक द रेजिलियंस दैट आई सी इन मी टुडे इज बिकॉज ऑफ her. Because imagine a woman who is dealing with the fear, the failure, losing a husband, taking care of a child. समाज क्या बोल रहा है, वो सारी चीज़ों का भार लेकर भी अपने बच्चों के सामने ढाल बनकर खड़े रहना कि नहीं बेटा तू पढ़ाई कर, साइंस करना है तुझे कर, कोई बात नहीं, मैं कर लूँगी. So I've seen her go through those things, but never in front of me. Okay. So I took up science. I completed my CET. Marks थोड़े कम आए. थोड़ा डोनेशन की बात चली थी तब घर में कि मम्मा मुझे डोनेशन देना होगा और मैं पुणे में रहूँगी. She said कितने पैसे देंगे? ऐसे मम्मा कुछ 5-6 लाख रुपए. मैंने मेरी मम्मी के चेहरे पर पहली बार वो शिकन देखी. 5 लाख रुपए. And there was a moment of silence. कोई कुछ नहीं बोला. मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे ना हाँ तब कुछ नहीं कहा. दूसरे दिन मेरी मम्मी की ज्वेलरी थी. ठीक है, एंड आई रिमेम्बर दिस वेरी वेरी क्लियरली. मेरी मम्मी किसी से फोन पे बात कर रही थी एंड शी वाज लाइक ये अगर मैं रखूंगी तो कितने पैसे होंगे. एंड दिस वाज हर मम्मा का दिया हुआ चीज. ओके, मैंने वो देखा ना सर, जिंदगी में इतना काम करना है कि मैं मेरी मम्मी को वो चीज दे पाऊँ जो उन्होंने खो दी. एंड आई एम श्योर एवरी चाइल्ड कैन रिलेट टू दिस कि हम अपने पेरेंट्स के चेहरे पे जब वो खुशी दिखते हैं ना जो उन्होंने मांगी भी नहीं है. एंड इट कुड बी एनीथिंग. मतलब मेरी मम्मी की ख्वाहिशें तो ऐसी होती है कि वड़ा पाव मिल जाए एंड शी इज हैप्पी इन दैट. ओके, तो जब मैं मेरी मम्मी को वड़ा पाव खिलाती हूँ प्लेन में, तो मेरी मम्मी का जो गिरबान होता है ना वो ऐसा होता है कि वो बोलती नहीं है, बोलेगी नहीं. ओके, इंडियन मॉम है, वो बोलेगी नहीं हाँ क्या किया है तूने मेरे लिए, कुछ नहीं किया है. दैट इज हर एटीट्यूड. बट जब वो अपना सेल्फी लेती रहती है ना ऐसे उठाती है और उनकी आंखों में वो मुझे वो
चमक
गर्व दिखता है कि मेरी बेटी ने मुझे अपने पैसे से फ्लाइट में भेजा. मैं वड़ा पाव खा रही हूँ, भले उनको पसंद नहीं आया होगा बिकॉज फ्लाइट मील इज बैड. आई एम सॉरी बट इट्स बैड.
It is.
सो बट शी विल स्टिल ईट इट बिकॉज मेरी बेटी के पैसे. ठीक है. So to answer your question, I ended up becoming what I am today because I never thought I'd give up. So the quality of never giving up actually came because of the life, the humble life that I lived.
Yeah. And Mahesh came and he turned your life around.
He turned my life around. He and my mother actually share such a good bond. You
I was gonna ask you about this because we've seen you and your Sasu
Oh my god, that's another. You should take a note. We should actually record.
कैसे लगता है आप बताइए, आपका और आपकी सासू माँ का रिलेशन के बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
बहुत अच्छा रिलेशन है. मतलब एक फ्रेंड जैसा है.
हाँ, जब पहली बार आप उनसे मिले तो वो कैसा
Oh my god.
याद है
सच नहीं
आपको?
बताना, सच
नहीं नहीं, सच, हमें तो सच ही चाहिए। आप एक लॉयर के सामने खड़े हो, आप जो भी बोलोगे मैं समझ जाऊंगी क्या सच है क्या नहीं।
जब पहली बार मिला था तो थोड़ा सा डरा हुआ भी था कि कैसे बात करूं मैं।
कुछ भी
हाँ।
झूठ बोल रहा है। पहली बार जब उसको पता चला था, मैं अपनी मम्मी को मिलाने लेके गई, यार मैं फोन रख रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग आउट। We fought. I'm sorry. We really fought.
Oh my god.
The time when I actually broke this news that you have to meet my mom,
Yeah.
it's like, are you mad or what? मैं नहीं मिल रहा. He freaked out.
I'm sure. But then
Over to you, Mahesh. Continue. I'm
how
sorry.
did it happen then? अगर आप मतलब आप डर चुके थे, आपको नहीं मिलना था, फिर then how did you come around?
Then she told me come, it's okay. Then I gone there. उसके बाद उनसे बात किया तो she was very chill.
Yeah.
तो then conversation started and मतलब आगे का तो
More or
हिस्ट्री है।
less, you know, moms को क्या चाहिए था? Moms are a very simple creature, guys. उन्हें चाहिए कि उनका बच्चा खुश रहे।
Yeah.
दुनिया में हर माँ सिर्फ ये
True.
चाहती है कि उसका बच्चा खुश रहे।
जहाँ रहे सेफ रहे और खुश।
खुश रहे। I think she saw that in him. She wanted a safe space for me, which she, I think, saw with him. And she immediately agreed. Like इनका bond इतने जल्दी बना है ना, तुझं आणि माझं जसं झालंय.
Yes.
That's how it was for them.
Wow.
They were like chill buddies और मैं sideline हो गई थी. मतलब जैसे मेरा और इनकी
Like
मम्मी का
he
होता है
said, yeah,
वैसे.
yeah,
So
yeah.
then when my mom is coming over,
Yeah.
he's the most excited. He's like, अब मैं तेरी चुप
Ah.
अब मैं तुझे दिखाऊंगा. And they both gang up on me यार. मतलब मैं बोलती हूँ मम्मी आप मेरी माँ हो या इसकी?
दल बदल दिया।
दल बदल दिया है absolutely. कल आने वाली है by the way.
Oh my god. But then what मतलब after they met for the first time, what did mummy say? How did she like Mahesh?
So मेरी मॉम ना बड़ी देसी है, ठीक है, बहुत देसी। वो ज्यादा बातें नहीं करती, ज्यादा एप्रिसिएशन उन्होंने सीखा ही नहीं, ठीक है।
Brown
So-
parents everywhere.
एवरीवेयर, ओके, नेचुरल इंस्टिंक्ट है उनका। मेरी मम्मी ने बोला अच्छा लड़का है महेश, अच्छा लगा आपको? She said, हाँ हाँ अच्छा लड़का है। तो अभी फिर शादी की डेट किससे फाइनल करनी? That was the conversation, that's it. कैसा है, क्या अच्छा लगा, क्या नहीं, ये सब कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं। शादी के दिन तक
Wow.
नथिंग। और आज मम्मी की जो आदत है वो इतनी इनके तरफ हो चुकी है कि अगर महेश को 2 कप कॉफी पीनी है और मैं महेश को बोल रही हूँ महेश अब मैं कॉफी नहीं बना रही यार, मेरी मम्मी बोलेगी चल जल्दी कॉफी बना उसके लिए। शी इज लाइक दैट कि मेरे बेटे को कॉफी चाहिए तुझे तो बनाना पड़ेगा। इट्स लाइक दैट
How
फनीली।
How cute. But mama का तो हो गया.
हाँ.
What do you think Papa would have felt like had he met Mahesh? Yeah.
He'd be the most happiest man because I think it is his manifestation that has worked for me because he always wanted me to get in a Gujarati family.
Yeah.
Because he also did home tuitions a
Yeah.
lot, okay, and majority of his home tuitions were in Ghatkopar and other parts of Mumbai, but majority was in Ghatkopar, and Ghatkopar is
Gujarat.
predominantly populated with Gujaratis.
Absolutely.
And my father used to see how women and their families live,
Yeah. They
and he
treated so
wanted,
well.
yeah, they're not. They make sure that every woman in their family is having her own voice.
Yeah.
You know, so my father was like, you know, बेटा जब आप बड़े हो जाओगे ना, जब भी आपको शादी करनी होगी, मैं आपकी शादी एक गुजराती लड़के से करूँगा। Those are the kind of conversations that my father used to sit and have with me when we used to
Wow.
talk about how
How
was your
old
day.
were you when these conversations were happening?
I must have been, so I'm very bad at math. So it was 2006 and early 2007. So I'm not disclosing
Quite
my
young.
age.
Quite young.
But yeah, I was very young enough to actually remember and understand
Right.
these conversations.
Yeah.
So a lot of it has actually stayed, and I think it is his manifestation that has worked in my life. And I think
Manifestation and blessings
blessings.
also.
I was just going to say that whatever I am today, credits to everybody who's been a part of my life, but the majority credits actually go to him because I think he's the guiding star.
Yeah.
I think.
Do you ever I mean कभी तो ऐसा ख्याल आया होगा if you sat and thought कि if Papa was here and if he would have a conversation with Mahesh, what would it be like?
No, we actually chat and Mahesh is like, तेरे पापा को तो मैं ऐसे पटा that charm ही अलग है. Contrary to what you guys are seeing right now, मतलब मेरे मुस्कान से
सहने से है
हाँ.
तो इसीलिए मैं किंजल के घर जब जाऊंगी तब मैं उनसे ऐसे खुल के बात
That's when you
करूंगी.
actually. So he was like, पापा को मनाना तो difficult होता ही नहीं
हाँ.
क्योंकि मैं तो अपनी मुस्कान से इसे पटा लेता पापा को।
Oh,
And I'm like, हाँ, that is very, very much possible. It's most likely to happen because my father was also very simple. He always wanted me to just be happy and be financially independent, have a voice of my own. He's always made sure that I'm doing that because when he was there, he told me education is the most important thing
True.
for you, for anybody.
Absolutely.
And I think that's what me and Mahesh also share, that our core belief system is that education is number one.
Yeah.
Okay, no matter what you're doing. So even when I was doing content creation, मास्टर्स करने की जरूरत नहीं थी मुझे, है ना, करने के लिए, कंटेंट क्रिएशन करने के लिए. But he was the one who was like, education is important, because this is, I don't know where my next paycheck would come from.
True.
It's a very unpredictable
Yes,
job.
yes, absolutely.
So what am I if I'm not a content creator? I am what my degree shows,
Yes.
and that's very important. So education was something that we all shared as a commonality. So I
Which
think they
is-
would really gel.
Which is great. अगर आप किंजल के पापा से मिल पाते, आप क्या कहते हैं उनसे? वो एक होता है ना कि
I'd love to hear this.
your
That's
son,
that's a very good question. I'd love to hear this.
your husband is the only person who can ever have that reassuring sense that he can provide to your father. So आप अगर मिल पाते किंजल के पापा से, तो आप क्या कहते हैं उनसे?
अगर मिल पाता और फर्स्ट कन्वर्सेशन होता तो ऑब्वियसली मैं बोलता कि आपकी बेटी को बहुत खुश रखूँगा और मेरे से जितना हो पाएगा उतना मैं उसको सपोर्ट करूँगा.
Wow. And to think, Kinjal, you probably never had this conversation with him, or this was never
Like we asked, but he never answered. Like, this is the first time that he's answered this, and I'm very proud. Thank you.
But to think that the action came before the words. I mean, he's done that, and then
he's
mentioned you.
100% a man of his words, because when he's committing to you, he's completely committing to you. That's one thing that I absolutely admire in him. And these could be smallest of things. Like, you know, it could be a trip planning. It could be coming with you. Like, for example, today, okay, if he's committed to me that he's going to like be there with me, he will do. No matter how uncomfortable he is of it, but he'll still take that plunge, which I think is commendable. क्योंकि अगर मैं होती इनकी जगह तो मैं शायद मना कर देती. ये मेरा safe space नहीं है. कैमरे के सामने बात करना, there are 10,000 people judging me, or more than that, right? मैं comfortable नहीं हूँ, मैं क्यों करूँ? I would make him understand कि मैं comfortable नहीं हूँ, मैं शायद नहीं करना चाहती. But the fact that he chose to sit next to me, face his fears, talk to you, talk to these people, things takes guts.
Just a background story that I want to tell you. हमने कोशिश की मनाने की. Mahesh was a little skeptical about it, but not for a minute did he make us feel that we are pushing him or forcing him. He did convey that he is shy about it, but he took that plunge and he came and he sat and he was like, yes, I'll be next to Kinjal and I'll do it. So kudos to you, Mahesh. I mean, भगवान करे ऐसा प्यार सारी डिजर्विंग लड़कियों को मिले, सारी डिजर्विंग लड़कियों को मिले.
Manifesting this today.
Yes, absolutely. और यहाँ पर की भी manifestations काम करते हैं ऐसे लोगों ने
I believe in that.
So when that happens for me, I will inform you.
I
Kinjal,
really wish for you to
it
have
has
that.
worked. Let's go back to you studying zoology. No, you wanting to study zoology. Where did that come from? Are you very fond of animals?
I love animals.
Yeah.
I have pets.
Yeah.
I really love animals. So it was not a choice that I took consciously.
Yeah.
It was for the lack of choice.
Oh.
Like I said, okay, after 12,
Yeah.
I wanted to become a doctor. I
Yeah.
completed my CET, secured really great marks, but because of donation and
Yeah.
you know those cutouts, I could not really get through, and I did not really want my mom to have the burden of
True.
you know making sure that my dreams are done, because अगर मेरी मम्मी ने वो चीज़ें की होती तो मेरे सपनों के बोझ मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी हो जाते और मेरे कंधे इतने मजबूत नहीं. So I gave in. I was like, let me do one thing. मैं BSc कर रही हूँ, साइमल्टेनियसली कोई साइड हासिल करूँगी जिससे मेरी मम्मी को हेल्प हो, ठीक है, सो दैट एटलीस्ट मैं मेरे खर्चे उठा लूँ और साइमल्टेनियसली साथ साथ मैं मेरी मॉम को भी हेल्प कर पाऊँ. मेरी मॉम ने मुझे कभी नहीं कहा ये सब चीज़ें करने के लिए. शी वाज लाइक, तू सिर्फ पढ़ाई कर, मैं हूँ तेरे को. बट जब क्या हो जाता है ना, जब आप किसी It's the most awful thing to lose a parent. Okay, it is the most awful thing. और जब वो इंसान आपकी जिंदगी से चले जाता है जिस पे आपकी पूरी जिंदगी निर्भर होती है, अभी he was the center of my life. मेरी मॉम ने मुझे बताया भी नहीं था that he's passed away because she was scared how will I take it. So for 3 years, because me and my father used to talk to each other कि how was your day and all of that, I used to write letters to him. Because I didn't know if he's going to return or not. और मेरी मॉम बहुत bravely मुझे बोलती थी कि पापा आए थे बेटा बट आप स्कूल गए थे तो वो चले गए, उनको काम है, आपको तो पता है उनको स्कूल जाना होता है, यहाँ जाना होता है, वहाँ जाना होता है. तो मुझे कभी समझा नहीं कि वो मुझे कहानी बता रही है, ठीक है. एंड I am talking about the era where we were not exposed to a lot of things, guys. Conviction was the only thing. Okay, phones नहीं थे हमारे पास, exposure हमें इतना नहीं था. तो माँ बाप ने अगर कुछ कहा है तो हम मान लेते थे बिना उन्हें सवाल जवाब.
फैक्ट चेक करने का ही हमारे पास मीन्स थे ही नहीं.
क्या बोला है मतलब that is true. So मेरी मॉम ने बहुत bravely वो चीज़ को handle की because she knew I was very attached, extremely. I would not leave my father's lap. Okay. So after I got to know that he's no more returning to me, I wrote the letters and I was like, Kinjal, अब यहाँ से तेरी जिंदगी खुद से शुरू होती है. You don't have a shoulder, you don't have a lap. जो गया वो वापस नहीं है. और मेरे अंदर वो जो छोटी किंजल थी, वो पता नहीं कब it became like a whole personality of कि मुझे जब मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा भी होता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि will it last? You know, naturally just happens. It's not like something that I'm doing on my own कि मुझे sympathy चाहिए या मैं चाहती हूँ कि सोनल मुझे बोले I'm with you. नहीं, it's just become my second habit कि अगर कुछ होता है या कोई इंसान मेरे जिंदगी में है जो मुझे बहुत comfort दे रहा है, मेरा दिमाग ये सोचता है कि will I lose this? Will it stay a little longer? God, please, can it? So बहुत जल्दी मुझे ये समझ आ गया था that Kinjal, you're on your own. So I completed my graduation. I started doing side hustles, everything, and I made sure that my mom is secure that मैं खुद से अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ तो कर सकूँ. मतलब I'll not fall flat. I'll establish myself. Okay. और वो चीज़ उन्होंने मेरे अंदर बहुत जल्दी डाली थी कि बेटा कुछ भी हो, both my parents, okay, you don't have to give up. You can sulk for that entire day, for that entire week or month.
You have to come back.
But you have to come back strong. Because life is this.
Absolutely.
आपके साथ कल क्या हुआ पड़ेगा. So always be kind and never. So completed my masters, completed my this because I did not have an option. I wanted to pursue zoology because I wanted to do something with. I don't even remember now. Actually, so sorry.
No worries. It's a बहुत पुरानी बात.
बहुत पुरानी बात है.
Different chapter, different era.
But कब जब बैठूंगी तो आराम से बातें याद
think about it.
But yes, zoology मेरे सर ने कहा कि आप ले लो, अगर किसी का सीट खाली हो जाएगा तो आपको हम zoology में वापस ले लेंगे. But भगवान, I told you, it's the best friend. मैंने बॉटनी ली, वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे सर मुझे मिले, ठीक है, ठाकुर कॉलेज में है, उनका नाम सुनील शिंदे है, and everybody who is from ठाकुर कॉलेज would know he is, मतलब अगर आपको झाड़ पत्तों से प्यार नहीं है ना, उस इंसान में वो काबिलियत है कि आपको वो प्यार करवा दे. एंड तब जाके वो जो सीड है ना, वो मेरे अंदर पला कि मे बी आयुर्वेदा, मे बी वेलनेस, मे बी होलिस्टिक लिविंग is something that I'm neglecting, but I should be going towards. We should go back to our roots. तब वो ख्याल पहली बार मेरे ज़हन में आया. एंड देन आई स्विच टू मिठीबाई कॉलेज क्योंकि मुझे आगे की पढ़ाई करनी थी, मास्टर्स, और तब ठाकुर में नहीं था. स्विच टू मिठीबाई कंप्लीटेड और वहाँ पे भी इतनी अच्छी फैकल्टी थी कि मैंने इतना कुछ सीखा. मतलब आज अगर आप मुझे ऐसे देख रहे हो और अगर आपको मैं बोलूँ कि मैंने मेरा रिसर्च तुलसी पर किया है and I was extracting essential oils out of tulsi, would you believe? Like I was किसी को भी देख के मुझे लगेगा
I am positively intrigued.
I know. So teachers बहुत important होते हैं.
Yeah.
And I've had the great opportunity of having great faculty. But life had different plans.
Yeah.
कॉलेज में ही मुझे लगा कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए. एंड आई वाज, यू नो, दिस इज वेरी फनी बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने सिर्फ 2015 में शुरू की. अप टिल देन I am still a very loyal BlackBerry user. I love
BlackBerry user.
I am a BBM fan. I still am, and I'll always be. I want the BlackBerry team to please just do something and get BlackBerry back. Please.
You got a brand ambassador
I
also.
will please. ये मैं free में करूँगी. I'm telling you on record. Like I love BlackBerry to that level. Okay, I was heartbroken.
Oh.
इतना बुरा मुझे कभी नहीं लगा.
I
But then
know.
I was like shit यार. And then I was not on social media. मुझे देखकर आपको लगे भी नहीं कि मैं social media पर नहीं थी. Okay. No Facebook account, no Snapchat, nothing. कुछ नहीं. I was literally like a chumpu student just going. अगर free period है तो library में चले जाना, पढ़ाई करना, पढ़ाई से घर से पढ़ाई. That was my life. And जो मेरी friends जो मैं मिठीबाई में आई, and मिठीबाई is very culturally active.
Yes,
You know, it's very Bollywood college.
On toes.
Yeah. और मुझे लगा मैं तो अलग दुनिया में आ गई हूँ. तो ये क्या है? कोई क्लासरूम में नहीं है. सब लोग मतलब एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर
Yes. All the time. Staircase पे डांस चल रहा है. ये एक अलग ग्रुप यहाँ पर कुछ क्रिएटिव कर रहा है.
Absolutely. मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने मुझे बोला कि जो तू अच्छी दिखती है,
Hmm.
ठीक है, थोड़ी हेल्दी है, बट कोई बात नहीं है. आई थिंक यू हैव दैट फेस फॉर कैमरा. हम तेरा अकाउंट ओपन करते हैं. मैंने कहा, कर लो. मुझे नहीं आता था अकाउंट ओपन करना. I was that dumb. Yes, मैंने कभी बॉदर ही नहीं किया. मेरा वो रूट ही नहीं था तो मैं करूँगी. उन्होंने मेरा अकाउंट खोला, मुझे पुश किया. You're seeing the God's plan.
Yeah, I'm just thinking that only. Wow, God is
Exactly.
at work here.
Yeah. So उन्होंने वो चीजें शुरू की मेरे लिए. And then since then till today, there's no looking. तब मुझे इंस्टाग्राम का इतना कीड़ा लग गया है कि अब तो मुझे पता ही नहीं कि करना क्या है उसके बिना.
I love that we have now landed on Kinjal's content creation
Creation.
journey. Do you
Yeah.
remember the first video you consciously made for this
So-
career?
Yeah, it's a very interesting topic also actually. I don't know if it's very boring for you guys,
No,
but
it's very fun for
yeah.
us. We're here for it.
um, when and this is about 2015, 2016. Back then, posting pictures were the only thing Instagram was known for, and getting hundreds of likes was like, babe, you're famous.
Yeah.
You are
True,
famous.
true.
Get your friend.
Yeah.
That was the era that I come from. Okay, and my ego got the boost when I actually did the first ad with Fast Track.
Wow.
Okay, and that got me a lot of visibility.
Yeah.
Because those ads were played in Sunburn, and Sunburn, you know,
Yeah.
is very widely
reach.
popular.
Yeah,
is also
absolutely.
popular. But वहाँ से जो मुझे popularity, visibility,
Yeah.
brand exposures, ये सारी चीजें मिली, I was like, अब तो मुझे पता that kind of thing, you know. But yeah, that was the turning point.
The first video that you ever made was?
Yeah, was for Fast Track, if I can clearly remember, because I don't think it was the first video, but it was
Collab.
the video that gave me a lot of visibility.
Yeah.
That's how I think I can tell.
Yeah. And when did you figure that this is going to be your niche? Lifestyle. I've got it.
You know, I have this very hot take on niche.
Tell me.
Although I still believe also that niche तो होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आप अगर मुझे जान रहे हो तो मुझे किस वजह से जान रहे हो.
Exactly.
But because I'm a Gemini, and
Yeah.
I love to quote Karan Johar here, that you get two for the price of one. I am really very versatile.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know if you see me on my stories.
I have.
I cook,
Yeah.
okay? And I cook like a proper chef,
Yes.
okay? I am this person that if you're coming home, मेरा dining table सजा हुआ है with
Wow.
every food that I have made. My anniversaries, my birthdays are celebrated like the proper way that it should be.
Wow.
I'm also this boss babe that I'm sitting in front of you and having this conversation.
Yeah.
I'm also the entrepreneur who's running her own business for over a decade.
Wow.
I'm also this wife that I go back to my husband, getting in his shoulders and his arm, like, how do I figure this life out? I can't do this. I need your credit card for shopping. So all of it is me. I can't box myself.
Yeah.
I don't have a niche. You are following me for the personality that I have.
Yeah.
So this is
For the stunning personality you are.
you say.
You missed that word. Yeah, because every reel that I have seen while preparing to have कि आज मैं किंजल से बात क्या करूँगी. So when I was going through all your content, I was seeing that you attended the Bridgerton ball. Dove flew you down to London for that. How was
Oh my
that?
God. It's such a fresh memory for me, and also very proud moment for me because कितने creators हैं मुंबई में, right? एक brand अगर आप पर trust करता है to choose you to fly from Mumbai to London representing India and as a creator, it's a very big deal, at least for me.
Absolutely.
It was once in a lifetime moment. And you should follow my YouTube for knowing how I got there because that's a journey in itself.
Yes.
And these guys are laughing because they know the story about it. But I'll cut it short. It was overwhelming and a butterfly moment for me. Because
Tell me what it was like, that adventure that you went on when you went to explore the village on your own.
Oh, you already know
Yes.
this.
Tell everyone what
God.
what got into you to do that all by your own.
यार मुझे लगता है मुझ में वो चुल आ गई थी कि भाई मैं तो अकेले ट्रैवल कर सकती हूँ, ठीक है, सोलो ट्रैवल, ठीक है, मैं तो कर रही हूँ, मुझे तो सब आता है, ठीक है। यहाँ से हस्बैंड का क्रेडिट कार्ड लिया हुआ था, मेरा क्रेडिट कार्ड था, ये था वो था, ऐसे अब तो मुझे कौन ही रोकेगा,
Yeah.
आई एम ऑन माय ओन, आई कैन डू दिस। फोन पे भी मैं अकेली हूँ, क्या करूँ अभी क्या करूँ, वो सारी चीजें हो रही थी बट ऑन फेस आई वाज लाइक
I got
I am
this.
going in London, honey. I am home. वो सारी चीजें हो रही थी। मुझे शॉपिंग करनी थी एंड मैंने एक दिन पहले महेश को बोला हुआ था कि जाऊँ का, should I go? He's like जा क्या, कर ले explore. And I'm a very भीगी बिल्ली when it comes to doing something for the first time. और मैंने मेरी लाइफ में कभी इनके बिना ट्रैवल ही नहीं किया. Not that I can't travel alone, okay? I can, but how do I explain this? You know, I saw Priyanka Chopra's podcast and she was like, I love being babied by my husband. I
Yeah.
think I'm quoting her again.
Yeah.
I love being babied by my husband. And I think you will relate to if you get into a relationship. If there's a man following in your life, he's in front and you're just doing pictures, this, that.
Absolutely.
You're not using your brain even though you have one.
Yes.
आप
yes,
भूल
yes,
जाते हो कि
yes,
आपके
yes.
पास
I
दिमाग है
agree.
अपना खुद का जो आपको यूज करना है।
Absolutely agree with you.
तो वो मेरा हाल था। बट हाँ मुझे शॉपिंग करनी थी और वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स होते हैं गाइस। द स्टोर विलेज, आई लव गोइंग देयर इफ आई एम इन लंदन एंड
Just not alone.
just not alone, yes. But you know everything happens in life for a
Yeah.
reason and I'm a firm believer of it because जब वहाँ पे वो जो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस 2 मिनट के लिए शेक हुआ ना क्योंकि I was alone, okay? Worst things could happen, okay? I was alone in that that compartment.
And London is quite famously known to be mischievous.
Absolutely, and मतलब मैं क्या ही कर लेती अगर 2 लड़के हैं और मैं अकेली हूँ तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैं क्या ही कर लूँगी, राइट? और मेरे दिमाग में वाहियात ख्याल आ रहे थे कि भाई अगर इसने मुझे पकड़ा तो क्या हो। एंड अपने ब्रेन सेल यूज करने की तो मेरे अंदर क्षमता ही नहीं थी क्योंकि अगर मैंने देख लिया होता कि मैं अकेली हूँ उस कंपार्टमेंट में मैं कुछ चढ़ती ही नहीं। बट पता नहीं क्या हो गया था मुझे, मैं इतनी डर गई थी कि अब पता नहीं ये तो लास्ट ट्रेन है जिंदगी की, मैं लंदन पहुंचूंगी ही नहीं। डर के मारे मैं चढ़ गई उसमें और मैंने नहीं देखा आजू बाजू जेन्युइनली। और ये अपने यहाँ पे जैसे लोग होते हैं ना वैसे वहाँ पे नहीं होते। दे आर नॉट वेरी, होते हैं एम्पैथेटिक, होते हैं कुछ होते हैं, कुछ नहीं होते। और ये दोनों उस कैटेगरी के थे, मतलब बियर की बोतल हाथ में लेके
अपने
पता नहीं क्या करना। और मैं तो डर गई, मैं अरे यार ये क्या हो। एंड मुझे अपनी शक्ल पे नहीं आना देना था
हाँ.
ऐसा होता है। बट एट दैट टाइम आई फेल्ट वेरी स्मॉल। आई वाज लाइक अगर महेश होता यहाँ पे तो मुझे इतना डर नहीं लगता। बट अगर मेरा प्रोफेशन ये है कि मुझे ट्रैवल करना है अकेले तो इतना तो काबिल होना पड़ेगा कि एक को तो पंच मार सकूं। That's when I started kickboxing. I was like, भाई अकेले give up तो नहीं करना है। Remember what your father said.
Yes.
Never give up. So I was like, ठीक है अगर मुझे लाइफ में ऐसे सिचुएशन में दोबारा आना पड़े मगर एक को तो मारूं, एक को तो पंच दूंगी कि वो दोबारा कभी ऐसे किसी लड़की के साथ ना करे
और दूसरा वो पंच देख के डर
जाएगा। So ये इंटेंशन से मैंने बॉक्सिंग शुरू की हुई है। Let's see how we proceed.
But Mahesh, when Kinjal was on call और उसने बताया कि ऐसा हो रहा है and clearly she was scared and worried, जो उसकी आवाज में आपको समझ आ, what were you feeling at that time कि इसको अकेले भेजना ही नहीं चाहिए था?
I was feeling कि किसको कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, हमारे सोर्सेज क्या हैं। I have friends. So I was constantly thinking कि किसको फोन करो, कौन राइट कांटेक्ट उसके पास में पहुंच सकता है वो टाइम पर ऐसा।
that leadership skill, that entrepreneur in him was
Yeah.
like, let's make some calls.
Very solution oriented.
Yeah.
They're not very problem centric. He's
Yeah.
very solution oriented. If you give them a problem, वो आपके साथ में बैठ के ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे कि अच्छा ये problem है,
Yeah.
अरे रे. He'll start thinking on the
Yeah.
solution.
You're a Gemini and he is?
He's Leo.
Oh, of
Very
course,
weird
Leos.
combination.
But Leos,
Yeah.
leaders.
Very. Yeah. That I think completely. And my mother's also Leo.
Wow.
So I'm very much in my family surrounded by Leos. A lot of Leos. My sister's a Leo. So
Amazing.
well protected that way.
Amazing. But because हमें इतना तो समझ आ गया है कि महेश is a businessman, let's ask him for some tips. Because आज की दुनिया में सब चाहते हैं साइड हसल करना, सब चाहते हैं अपना एक बिजनेस हो, बहुत लोगों ने अपना बिजनेस बना लिया है. बट महेश, व्हाट वुड यू से कि अगर कोई सोच रहा है अपना बिजनेस चालू करना, तो क्या है बेसिक्स जो तो होना ही चाहिए?
सबसे पहला बिजनेस चालू करना है तो कंसिस्टेंसी होना चाहिए. दूसरा, आप बिजनेस करते हो तो उसको आपको सब कुछ देना पड़ता है. आप अगर बोलोगे कि मैं टाइमिंग से करूँगा, सवेरे 9 बजे जाऊँगा, 5 बजे आ जाऊँगा, तो नहीं होगा आपका बिजनेस. अगर आपको सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन बनना है तो आपको 7 बजे भी उठना पड़ेगा, रात को 11 बजे भी आना पड़ेगा, 12 बजे भी आना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है वो आपको संभालनी भी पड़ेंगी, जैसे कि आपके वर्कर्स हो गए, आपके बिजनेस में फंडिंग कहाँ से आएगी, आपका इन्वेंट्री क्या है, सब आपको ही देखना है. आपके नीचे जो काम करते हैं वो आपको एक प्रोसेस भी बनाना है, और वो प्रोसेस सही से चल रहा है या नहीं है वो भी आपको मॉनिटर करना है. तो बिजनेस में आप ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि मैं आपका फ़ोन नहीं उठाऊंगा या मैं नहीं करूंगा. अगर आप बिजनेस करें तो आपको 100% इन्वेस्ट रहना ही है. कभी कभी तो ऐसा भी होता है कि कोई फंक्शन होता है तो मिस भी हो जाता है, बट वो करना पड़ता है.
Sacrifice, you guys. Any job, any work needs a lot of sacrifice.
It does. And I mean, while लोगों को ऐसा बहुत लगता है कि अरे अपना मतलब किसी के लिए क्यों काम करना, अपना बिजनेस हो तो अच्छा है, बट बिजनेस में तुम्हें ज्यादा टाइम और एफर्ट डालना पड़ता है then when you're working for someone else. Am I right about this?
देखो, जिसको बहुत लोग होते हैं जो बहुत संतुष्ट होते हैं, जैसे कि उनको अगर 9 बजे से लेके 5 बजे तक काम करना है, उनको फैमिली को टाइम देना है, उनको सब बैलेंस चाहिए, तो बहुत जन उतने सैलरी में भी खुश होते हैं. खुशी डिफाइन करता है. अब जैसे कि मैंने पहले से बिजनेस देखा है, तो आपका ड्रीम होता है कि जो आपके फैमिली ने बनाया है आप उससे एक स्टेप ऊपर या उससे 2 स्टेप ऊपर ले जाओ.
सही
तो
बात.
आपको उतना काम करना पड़ता है. पर ऐसा नहीं कि आपके फैमिली ने आपके लिए बिजनेस छोड़ा है, आपके लिए पैसे छोड़े, तो आप नहीं भी करोगे तो चलेगा, बट वो आपके ऊपर होता है कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. तो बिजनेस अगर आपको करना है तो आपको 100% उसमें इन्वेस्ट रहना है. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि आपके पास बहुत पैसे होते हैं, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपके पास पैसे होते हैं बट वो इन्वेंटरी में होते हैं, आपके बैंक अकाउंट में नहीं, आपके हाथ में
लिक्विड नहीं है.
लिक्विड नहीं होता. और राइट टाइम पे राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी लेना वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जैसे कि समझो अगर आप कोई काम कर रहे हो तो कल क्या होने वाला है, ये स्टॉक बढ़ने वाला है नहीं बढ़ने वाला है, तो आपको वो प्रोडक्ट का स्टॉक रखना है कि जैसे कि मार्केट ऊपर हो तो आपको उसका बेनिफिट मिल जाए. क्योंकि एंड मोमेंट पे आप लेने जाओगे तो नहीं होगा.
सही बात है. आपने जो भी सारी चीजें कही, लाइक यू सेड कि बहुत यू हैव टू बी इन्वॉल्व्ड इन इट, कंप्लीटली इन्वेस्ट कर दो अपने आप को उसमें. बट व्हाइल डूइंग दिस, हाउ आर यू मेंटेनिंग सच अ ब्यूटीफुल रिलेशनशिप आल्सो? ये बैलेंस कैसे कर रहे हो आप?
ये बैलेंस ऐसे कर रहा हूँ कि इसको भी मैंने बताया है, ये भी इतने साल से रह रही है तो इसको पता है कि बिजनेस में कैसे, और खुद भी बिजनेस कर ही रही है तो इसको पता है कि बिजनेस में आपका रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है, आपको सामने वाले को जवाब देना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो आपको तो एक टाइप से आप बोलोगे तो इसका भी हैबिट हो ही जाता है कि इसको पता है. हम लोग अगर हम कहीं घूमने भी जाते हैं, ये फोटो निकालना तो इसको 15 मिनट रुकना पड़ता है क्योंकि मेरा फोन चल रहा है.
But she's patiently waiting.
Yeah.
How is it?
Because if I may dare to add, actually, he's been doing this since 12, no, more than
15
that,
15 years.
So he started very young.
Yeah.
So this is his brainchild that I can't take away from him.
Sure.
That I know.
Surely.
Because if he doesn't invade in my personal space, I need to respect his boundaries.
Sure.
And that understanding comes with time.
Wow.
Because ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लड़ते हैं.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. Every relationship has to go through lots of
Absolutely. Yes, yes, yes. और झगड़े से प्यार बढ़ता है, ये सच है.
हाँ, ये क्योंकि आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़ जाती है.
Conflict
आपको पता-
resolution.
Absolutely. हम बहुत लड़ते थे। शादी के कुछ साल तक तो हम बहुत लड़ते थे क्योंकि मैं छोटी थी, मैं समझ नहीं पाती थी और ये समझा नहीं पाती थी क्योंकि हमारा वेवलेंथ जो था ना दिमाग का वो मैच नहीं। व्हाई आर यू ऑलवेज ऑन फोन? ऐसे फोन पे रहना पड़ेगा बेबी, काम है। तो वो चीजें समझने के लिए वक्त, बट वी चोज टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड नॉट गिव अप। राइट, ये नहीं करना, वी टू अंडरस्टैंड।
Absolutely.
ये है लाइफ।
Because we talked about झगड़े, जब आपके बीच झगड़े पहले सॉरी कौन बोलता है? ऐसा क्यों होता है महेश कि हमेशा हस्बैंड को ही सॉरी बोलना पड़ता है?
सॉरी ऐसा होता है कि कोई इतने बड़े झगड़े नहीं होते, बट ठीक है, अगर हो गए तो उसको लेट गो करके आगे बढ़ना चाहिए।
I think
ऐसा-
He's like tired, अरे sorry भाई, he's like that.
खत्म कर दिया,
खत्म कर दिया।
बस कर, अब नहीं बात करनी इस बारे में।
He's like
देखो
that,
बात तो
इसलिए
उस
sorry.
दोनों को करनी होती है, लड़के को भी करनी होती है, लड़की को भी
Yeah.
करनी होती है, बट लड़कियां नहीं आती है आगे, तो लड़के ही आने वाले हैं।
हाँ, लड़कियां थोड़ा सा कंटिन्यू कर सकती है, बट लड़कों कैसे कि
I
क्यों
see.
टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो इसके
Exactly.
पीछे, खत्म करो यार, चलो जाके
I think
अच्छा
they're very
खाना खाओ।
calculated कि इतना दिन वेस्ट नहीं करना है
हाँ,
मुझसे बिना बात के।
right.
तो हम बोल ही
Do you
देते हैं।
remember the longest you have gone without talking to each other?
No, I don't, because we've really not.
No, you
और
can't.
अभी तो जैसे हमें समझ आ गई है, हमारा रिश्ता इतना गहरा होते जा रहा है, हमने एक चीज खुद से बांधी है कि झगड़े तो होंगे, आगे भी होंगे,
Absolutely.
ठीक है। आज हम 2 हैं, कल 3 होंगे, we'll have kids, झगड़े होंगे,
Yeah.
क्यों ना हो। we've made sure actively कि हम जब रात को एक साथ हैं,
Yeah.
we'll discuss, solve
And then
and
go to bed.
sleep over it.
Wow.
लड़ाई करके दूसरे दिन उसे कंटिन्यू नहीं
हम्म।
करना है। We can discuss it, disagree, agree, ये सारी चीजें हम कर सकते हैं, बट सिर्फ लड़ना, that's something that we've built, उसे टाइम लगा है। Okay, nothing in relationship or a marriage can happen quickly, instant कुछ नहीं होता है, that's a myth, absolute myth.
Wow, you guys are going to be such an inspiration for people on how to make a relationship work, how to make a marriage work. Because while we, like I mentioned, we're living in a society where it's difficult to find that in the first place, and then it's difficult to maintain it or keep it. To know that you have managed to not only find it but maintain it together, वो साथ निभाना, साथिया वाला.
I know, but I think full credits to him.
But Mahesh, what do you think? What does Kinjal bring to the table that makes this relationship work?
इसमें
Love you for this.
इसमें बहुत सारा चीज़ है, जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही पार्ट बताया कि मैं बिजनेस करता हूँ, तो
I want to listen closely.
उसको पता है कि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है हमारे प्लान्स भी फेल हो जाते हैं।
हाँ,
जैसे कि मूवी का टिकट आ गया,
हाँ,
बट हम नहीं जा पाते क्योंकि मेरे को काम है,
हाँ.
तो ये समझती है वो चीज़।
मैं चली जाती हूँ
प्लस मैं अगर काम में हूँ तो इसको पता है कि ये काम कर रहा है,
Yeah.
तो घर मैं नहीं हूँ घर में, तो घर भी संभालती है। तो ये भले बोलती है कि सब मैं करता हूँ, बट इसका भी उतना ही रोल है, सब संभालने में, सब करने में, लेट गो करने में, चीज़ें समझने में होता है।
तो जो लोग कहते हैं कि behind a successful man there is a woman, do you feel that is
100%
true for
श्योर, उसके बिना नहीं हो पाएगा।
you? Oh my god.
I look cute.
I will become teary-eyed now.
Same. अरे यार इतने इमोशनल आंसर कैसे दे दिया, कहाँ से सोचा?
How you, I think सोचा हमेशा से होगा, बोलने का मौका आज मिला
आज
होगा.
मिला है. Very good. I'm so happy of this fact, Sona, that you've actually forced him into this conversation.
I have just pushed, guys. I have not forced. मैंने
Yeah,
कोई
pushed,
बंदूक नहीं रखी
pushed
थी.
for the records. Pushed. हमने कोई जबरदस्ती नहीं की.
हमने बस कोशिश की थी कि we make this a very safe and comfortable space for everyone to have a good conversation.
And that there's a good takeaway also of this podcast.
But speaking of a podcast, you also do a podcast.
Yeah.
What has that taught you?
I think सुनना हर किसी की काबिलियत नहीं होती. To be a listener is a very difficult task. क्योंकि मैं अपनी ज्ञान में, अपनी चीजें में, अपना हर चीज आपको बताया जा रही हूँ, but to be invested in the conversation is a skill जो over time आता है, जो आप बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर रहे हो, and you're doing a great job. So मेरे अंदर वो अब तक नहीं आया है. So my podcast, although I am single person hosting it all on myself,
Yeah.
मैं मेरी मम्मी से बातें करती हूँ, इनसे बातें करती
Yeah.
हूँ, ये वो, I think I'm still in the phase where I'm developing to become a good listener, because एक podcast अच्छे से सिर्फ तब चल सकता है if you're a good listener.
And there's a
And
give
to
and
show,
take.
and to not just show that you're invested, but to actually be invested in the person's story. क्योंकि अगर सुनने वाला सही है ना, हर एक इंसान के पास एक अपनी कहानी. I feel.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy that I got this opportunity to sit here and to hear your story, listen to your kahani. But Kinjal, tell me, like you said कि अभी आप 2 हो, 2 के कभी तो 3 बनोगे.
Yeah.
ऐसे कभी सोचा है, कभी बात की कि कितने बच्चे चाहिए हमें?
मुझे तो मैंने ऐसा सोचा नहीं है, सोचती भी हूँ और नहीं भी सोचा है, because as much as I love mother, but I'm a very good mother, because मैं अपने घर में जितने भी बच्चे हैं सबको ऐसा मैं ये करना है, ये ऐसा, I'm very that, like to the T.
Yeah.
And I know for a fact that if I become a mother, I become a helicopter mother, setting it for the record.
Wow.
मैं अपने बच्चे को जान से लगा के like
Aww.
that's how obsessive I'll become. उसका जो process होता है that scares me. Okay, but yeah, to set it for the records again. सोच रहे हैं हम to become a plus one. So the next time you're hosting us on the podcast, we'll also have a tiny cute
Oh my
mini us.
God. और तब मैं उससे खुलवाऊंगी कि
कि
okay,
मम्मी
come,
पापा
come,
क्या
let's
कर रहे हैं?
start. मुझे इतनी स्टोरी पता है, अब आप मुझे अंदर की बातें बताओ.
That'll be a fun segment, and I wanna like know this. कैसा होगा ये?
But how many are we thinking? How many would we like to have?
2 तो सोचा ही है.
Oh,
That's a safe
a
space.
girl and a boy.
That's not something that I'm okay with boys, I'm okay with girls.
How-
पर पहले कर ली. मैं तो अब वो सोचती हूँ कि भाई I have to really get out of the fear, because
Yeah.
वो जो you
I
know
get
the
it.
process,
I
right?
get it.
It's so
I
painful,
get it, I get it.
and इसीलिए जो माँ होती है ना उसके लिए एक अलग ही नजरिया हो जाता है, because no matter what you do, guys, you can never repay your mothers. Never.
महेश, आपका क्या ख्याल है? आप कितने बच्चे चाहोगे? और लड़का लड़की ऐसा आपने
ऐसा
सोचा?
कुछ नहीं.
हमने कुछ ऐसा नहीं सोचा, we're okay with anything.
लड़का आएगा तो फिर भी ठीक है, लड़की आएगी तो फिर भी ठीक है.
Imagine if you all have
बट
twins.
मुझे पहले लड़की चाहिए.
Ah, my God, that's in my genes, you know. My nanny actually has produced twins, so that could be one of the things.
Now I am waiting.
Yeah.
बट
I'm
मुझे पहले लड़की चाहिए.
He's obsessed.
with girl child.
Yes, he's obsessed with girls. Right? Like he'll send me these cute reels. You know how father's very protective of a
Yeah,
girl, and how those
daughters,
nail
yeah,
paints
yeah.
the girl. अगर मैं इनको बोलती हूँ ना, what do you think, is this color suiting me? Is it हाँ अच्छा लग रहा है. But then he's sending me the reels where the girl is like, Papa, this color, this is pink, green, this green, that green, this pink. He's fully invested.
Wow.
So
But-
he'll be very talking.
But I do believe that girls, मतलब when people have daughters, the father, मतलब जो हृदय परिवर्तन हो जाता है. My sister has recently had a baby girl. She's just 7 months old today.
Oh my God.
She's 7 months old. They're in
Oh, I see your
Germany.
picture.
I will show it to you. She's in Germany. We haven't gotten a chance to meet her because war की वजह से वो आ भी नहीं पा रहे हैं. But मैंने जो मेरे जीजू को ऐसे मतलब he was always a great man. I was so happy that my didi has found this
Okay.
beautiful man that loves her so much. But ever since they've had a daughter, my God, I'm just like जीजू, मेरे को पता नहीं था कि इतना और स्कोप था of improvement आप में. मुझे तो लगता था you were already there.
Wow.
But-
I'm so happy.
Yeah, so I would really want for Mahesh that happens, and then
He will
that
be a
you all
good
have
father.
your daughter soon.
I think we underestimate the fact that, you know, what a girl child can do to a man. It's only then when we see them transform.
Absolutely.
And it's such a beautiful thing to also to see, you know.
Absolutely.
I think like there are so many examples in my family, in my circle, that I've seen men transform 360 degree
Yeah.
because of the girl child.
Yes.
And I think it's
And
beautiful.
like ऐसे लगता है ना कि men may never change, but a daughter can
Can
do
change.
it, man. Or
I'm
daughter
waiting
can
for
change that man.
I'm waiting.
But I hope Mahesh never changes.
Oh, he'll change for good. Like
Yeah,
he'll
for
become
good. Absolutely.
extremely more
Like I said ना कि
vulnerable.
और scope है for improvement. Oh my God, mind is blown. अभी मेरे पास एक segment है जो मैं किंजल के साथ करने वाली थी, but because महेश यहाँ हमारे साथ है, तो ये segment हम महेश के साथ करेंगे. Basically ये किंजल कोर है, ये questions है, this or that.
Oh.
आपको बताना है कि किंजल क्या चूज करेगी इसमें से. A luxury bag or a spontaneous weekend trip?
Weekend trip.
Yeah.
True.
travel fast.
Absolutely.
Ready to travel ek टांग
Always.
पर. Glam night out or cozy night in?
cozy night in.
Really?
So true. Yeah.
Your gram never will ever let
Ever
anyone
agree.
know that.
No, I know.
ये अगर पहले होता तो मैं फर्स्ट वाला ऑप्शन चूज
Yeah,
करता.
I think with age
But
ना
now she
बच्चा
has
like,
changed.
यार अब क्या कहाँ कितने बजे 10 बजे आई,
नको.
नको माझ्याशी नाही होणार आहे.
नाही, नाही. झोपूया, जेवूया, मूवी लावूया, वाईन पिऊया,
That's
झोपूया.
it. Ideal thing. Absolutely.
Perfect outfit या perfect skin?
both.
Wow! Thank God! I love
3
it.
points. Viral reel or peaceful life?
Sorry,
Viral reel या peaceful life?
viral reel.
Shit, I would choose a peaceful life. कुछ भी. Not this.
We've given them a tadka to discuss about later on. Husband picks her out, मतलब आप उसका outfit pick करोगे या best friend उसका outfit pick करेगी तो
खुद ही करेगी वो.
मेरा outfit pick कर. Nobody
कोई
chooses
नहीं.
that.
Only
Can't
Angel
miss.
picks that. Fancy dinner date या street food per drive?
Fancy dinner tray.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's a
Love.
favorite place here in Mumbai?
Foo.
Ooh.
Love.
Do you love that blue rice?
I love it. In fact, we just had it like 4 days ago.
Wow.
4 or 5 days ago.
We should go for a food date. Let's plan
It's
that.
on.
Yes.
Yes.
1 million followers या 5 real friends.
5 real friend.
Soft girl era या boss woman era.
Boss woman.
Yeah.
Always a boss babe. Instagram famous या secretly rich.
Both.
Why
Is
not?
that right?
It's absolutely right.
Delete Instagram for a month या no online shopping for a month.
दोनों भी ले.
दोनों भी नहीं होगा.
दोनों भी ले. Exact. There you go.
But अगर एक choose करना पड़ेगा.
वो नहीं होगा.
नहीं यार ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. Online shopping is my weakness on Instagram पे famous हो सकता है. What is this यार guys? क्या है?
See, I can tell you a midway because I'm a lawyer. I can do that for you. You can give up. You
Online
can
shopping.
give up online shopping. You can choose your Instagram and then you can go offline shopping. So you still have.
I
shopping.
will go with the wiser person giving a suggestion.
So
I
we
will-
don't give up on everything.
We don't.
We
We should
get
have best of both
best.
worlds. right?
Oh,
Why?
Hannah Montana.
Yes.
But I'm so glad that was the the segment, and I'm so glad that we got Mahesh also happy
I
and excited
know.
about this segment. He also feels like मैं जानता हूँ अपने बीवी को बहुत अच्छे से.
This is really fun. Really good one. Right.
I'm so glad. Kudos to you, Mahesh. But that was our conversation, Kinjal. I am so glad you came here, and I'm so glad you got Mahesh with you, yaar.
That was a surprise that I did not. I don't think you guys signed up for, but
I also didn't
for a
know, and
treat.
I'm so glad that this happened, this spontaneous conversation that I got to also speak to Mahesh. Mahesh, I hope we did not make you uncomfortable.
A little bit.
Only truth bombs over here. But you have been such a sport, Mahesh. I have to give it to you.
Thank you so much.
I mean, I understand you're shy of the camera, but not for a minute when you were answering did I feel that you are worried about the camera. I could see that you were much more invested कि आप क्या आंसर दे रहे हो, आप सही आंसर दे रहे हो, आप अपनी वाइफ को कैसे सपोर्ट करते हो, आप जता रहे हो, और वो दिखाई दिया. तो I'm very happy that happened, that came
Thank
out
you.
through this conversation that we had.
Thank you for having us because, like I said, when I met you first, I instantly feel that there was a connect. And it is very, very rare to meet people who genuinely are so good. Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much for
This
having
was
us.
so good.
This
Almost
whole-
cathartic. Felt like I'm talking to also a therapist. I'm sorry, but I just love the exchange of conversations that has happened.
I am so
happy.
glad I could give you this experience, and I'm so glad that your first podcast with Mahesh
Is with us.
with me. Yes, I'm so glad this happened.
I really thank you for having both
Thank
of
you.
us because we collectively have so much to bring on table, but we just felt like the right set of platform is very important because not everybody can have that patience, right? And I make no bones about it because you've had the patience in you to listen to what he had to share. So thank you.
I'm so glad. थैंक यू महेश।
Thank you.
आपने
This
हमारे
was
साथ सारा जो भी
fun.
आप मैं जितना भी आपसे जानना चाहती थी आपने मेरे साथ शेयर किया विदाउट बीइंग वेरी शाय अबाउट इट, विदाउट इवन इफ यू वर अनकंफर्टेबल, यू वर सच अ स्पोर्ट, आई हैव टू गिव इट टू यू।
थैंक यू।
so much. That was the girl behind the glam, Kinjal, and her husband Mahesh for you guys. और ऐसे ही आपके favorite creators will be joining me here for having hearty conversations just like this one. So you guys better stay tuned. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is me, Kinjal Shukla Bhanushali, and this is my husband,
Hi, this is Mahesh Bhanushali.
and you are watching us on Off Script with Social Nation.